Hi folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, and in this we've got a review basically of a couple of Enginehawk products and a review on Enginehawk themselves. This is the two Enginehawk products. One was a 50 cal leather jacket, bought it, had it on a couple of times, didn't like it, didn't suit me, so sold it on for eBay. Condition of it was pretty good. The actual jacket itself looked fine, there was no issues, zips, everything felt all sturdy, it felt good quality. It just wasn't for me, so it was sold on. This one, however, I've worn it quite a bit. It's their combat shirt, it's called. I'm just checking over the computer, it cost me £199.99 for it about 3 months ago. And when I went on to get some of the details on it, it's currently up for sale on Enginehawk's website for £59. So yeah, that's quite a saving. Found it incredibly comfy. The size of it is a large. I wanted something a wee bit more snug, a wee bit tighter fitting that's not going to be kind of waving about in the wind. So I would normally be an extra large, but I did buy a large because I did want it a wee bit more snug, and it fits perfectly like that. It is quite snug. Easy enough to get on because it's got that kind of expanding zip down the bottom of it, so you can get it on fine, and then as soon as you zip that bottom section up, it snugs right in around your waist, so you don't have anything kind of flapping about. The pockets at the side, everything feels very kind of sturdy. It's got your kind of velcro section at the side for any kind of patches, hook and loop, and I've basically got my kind of Harley owners stuff kind of pinned on the side of it. It's got a wee air vent on the back, that's also on both of the sleeves, so you can basically have a wee kind of free flow of air going through, and you can open up the front section there as well, which is another pocket. There's a wee cheeky pocket in on the front, which normally kind of sit phone in, and yeah, generally I'm quite happy with this. I like it. It gets used very often. And last time my wife was out on the bike, she used it, and she found it a wee bit kind of big for her, but she found it kind of incredibly comfy, warm, quite good for the kind of Scottish climate. It can be hot, it can be cold 1 minute, and yeah, it seems to fare quite well in our weather. So, on to Enginehawk themselves. This is going to sound a bit of a bitch fest and a moan fest. Really annoying because I really want to buy more of their stuff. However, their customer service, the way they treat people, is ridiculous. I should point out, I have been pretty lucky. I've ordered my Ruroc helmet. For those who don't know, Ruroc, Enginehawk, same company, just different names. Ruroc for the helmets, Enginehawk for the clothing brand. I ordered the 50 cal jacket. Within a couple of days, I got it. That was fine. I ordered this. It was shown in stock in my size. Waited about, I think it was about a week to 10 days, nothing. Went online, it was shown in stock there. I emailed them and they says, well, we're having issues with our stock. It says, it's shown in stock, you've still got it for sale in that size. What's happening? 2 days later, it arrived. So I don't like having to chase up companies for my stuff. Once I've ordered it, shown in stock on your website, ship it out. If you don't have it in stock, don't show it in stock, because then people buy it expecting to get it within their normal delivery days of 3 to 4 days, and then it doesn't happen, and all you're doing is pissing off your customers. So now on to some really, apologies language, piss poor customer service. So there is a group of about 5 of us. We all got out the bikes, we've all got Harleys, and we wanted something a bit not the kind of traditional Harley wear. So we seen Enginehawk, we're like, bingo, this stuff looks fantastic. So one person got something, we were impressed with the quality, and that basically steamrolled, and we all basically started ordering stuff. I was the second person to order stuff. I got it very quickly after chasing them up. However, there has been a whole host of us with issues with the items that have been ordered. There's, on the Ruroc side, there's been stuff shown in stock on their website which has been ordered. Time again passes at 10 days, and they're like, where's my stuff? I'm sorry, we don't have it in stock anywhere. Right, okay, well, I want to cancel the order. But they had already dispatched a Bluetooth set, so they're saying, well, we can't cancel the order because you've got a Bluetooth set already coming out to you. So they'll send out the order in dribs and drabs and then won't let that order be cancelled. That just seems very, very backward. So I'm just checking on my phone here because I've got a list of the stuff just so I've got it right. So the Bluetooth kit was sent back and he got a refund for the Bluetooth kit. That was it. The rest of the stuff was still there. Never got a refund for any of the other stuff. So again, that was complained to say just cancel the full order. He then got a dispatch email the next day saying all the stuff is on the way. So he's like, right, okay, all the stuff's coming now, that's fine, as long as I get it. It arrived and it was a helmet liner, just a helmet liner, and the cherry on top was it was the wrong size helmet liner. So again, sent an email, kicking up hell, didn't get any reply. Instead, they replied him back saying the Bluetooth kits are out of stock. That's not what he emailed them about. He emailed them about the fact that you'd sent out saying all your stuff's dispatched and it was just a helmet liner, which was the wrong size. So, excuse me, this is still going, this saga. This is just the same, this is the same customer, the same chap. So, the emailed saying they don't know when they're going to get the Bluetooth kits back in stock, and at this point it's not about the Bluetooth kits, it's about the full order, which was, the full order was £750 worth of kit. At this point he's at the 12-day mark and he's been getting messed about, so he's like, cancel my full order, I don't want it, I want my money back. If you don't, I'm going to contact my bank, because at the end of the day their customer service just isn't there. He's not received his goods. So this is now on to the 10th point with them. He then received another dispatch notification after them saying that there's no Bluetooth kits available, the headliner kits aren't available in that size, that all the items are coming this time. They assured them this is going to be all your items, everything will come, after them saying that your stuff isn't in stock. Need to point out as well, during this, I know this is a kind of a whole ramble, but during all this thing, all these items were showing on their website available and in stock delivery between like 3 to 4 days, like their standard delivery. So they've then messaged them saying your refund has been processed. This is after he gets the dispatch notification that everything's coming, and he contacts them saying, well, I've cancelled all my stuff, so what's the deal with this? It turns out it was a helmet which they were sending out with a Bluetooth kit, not all these items. He's like, right, I've been refunded for it, I don't want it. And then this is when it starts again, not so much Ruroc with the delivery company. So the delivery company decided to put it in the wheelie bin. He has then come in from work, there's no delivery notification, there's nothing in the house. So that night, goes to bed, goes up in the morning, puts the bin out, goes away, and of course, inevitably, the bin gets emptied. And assuming that the helmet is in the bin, and away it goes in the back of a bin lorry. He's like, I haven't received this thing, I don't want it, like, why, where is it? He then has to contact the customer service again. They then have to contact the courier confirms that it was put in the bin. Again, that's really not on Enginehawk, however, he didn't select anywhere, put it in a safe place, leave with a neighbour, etc., anything like that. It's a lot of money for a bit of kit to put in the bin, and they had refused the refund. So at this point he's then contacted the bank, and the bank have then taken it on board. So that is just between me having the relatively minor issue with getting that one delivered, my other friend having all those issues, the issues with one of the other friends was with the helmets. So he ordered the Joker helmet. It was the 4.0 he ordered. Got the notification, it's en route to you. I can't remember what size, say for instance it was a large he ordered. So right, it came, opened it up, wasn't the Joker helmet, it was the bog standard cord, the same one that I've got, and it was the wrong size. So he's then contacted them and they're like, oh, we don't have any of the Joker ones in stock, so we've sent you this one out. Right, okay, A, that helmet is much cheaper than the Joker one is. B, there's quite a difference in the look between the Core and the Joker, and also it's the wrong size. The customer service, the shipping, their website, everything really seems to be an absolute shambles. Their so-called protocols of not sending out items in dribs and drabs is absolute rubbish, given the fact what's happened to a couple of my friends. We get stuff sent out dribs and drabs, which is all the wrong stuff anyway. They really need to sort out their shipping, really need to sort out their, whoever it is that's packing the stuff away, make sure it's the right stuff that's getting sent out. And that, to be honest, is absolutely soured the whole Enginehawk thing for me. I don't know if anybody else has had those similar issues. Certainly when you go onto their social media and you click in with stuff and you look through, there's a lot of people saying, where is my XYZ? I ordered this X days ago, I've had nothing, no contact. So yeah, it's pretty annoying, given the fact that I quite like their kit. Their kits, it's just really quite good. But yeah, would I order from them again? Probably not. For the whole reason being is, if something's shown in stock on your website and you've got a X amount of days which should be sent to you, it really should be getting sent to you within those days and not shown advertised as available to send out. So yeah, pretty piss poor service. But again, that's just me. Anybody else, please comment below, let me know if you have had similar issues. I would like to know if it just seems to be an issue in Scotland. However, given the fact that Enginehawk grew up a UK-based company, you would like to think that they would be able to stock and ship out items based in the UK relatively quickly. So let me know if it's the same wherever you are, whether it be America, Australia, Timbuktu, wherever. Let me know, because it would be interesting to see if this is going on everywhere or if it's just something based in Scotland. And yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've liked the video, please hit subscribe and hit the wee like button. It would really help me out. Thank you, cheerio, bye, stay safe.